Hello. In this video, I show you how to recover Microsoft Active Directory objects from backups using NAKIVO Backup and Replication. Before we begin, if you have any questions, do let us know in the comment section below. We will have our experts answer it for you right away. To begin, log into your NAKIVO Backup and Replication web interface. Switch to the Jobs dashboard and click Recover. Select Microsoft Active Directory objects in the Granular Recovery section to launch the Granular Recovery Wizard for Active Directory Server. In the left pane of the Backup step, select the backup that contains the objects you wish to recover. Choose the required recovery point from the right pane and click Next. Select the Microsoft Active Directory server to which you want to recover the objects from the Recovery Server drop-down list. If required, you can modify the list of available machines to only display VMware vSphere VMs, Microsoft Hyper-V VMs, Amazon EC2 instances or physical machines. By default, NAKIVO Backup and Replication automatically detects the IP address once you have selected a recovery server. If automatic detection fails, you will need to manually enter the server's host name or IP address in the respective field. Choose your preferred authentication method from the credentials type drop-down list. Either a username and a password or a private key. If you choose the username and password option, make sure to provide a username that has administrative privileges. They can either be a local admin of the machine to which you're recovering the data or a domain administrator. Enter a username and password to proceed. You can save these credentials in NAKIVO Backup and Replication. To do so, click Manage Credentials, then click the plus icon. Fill in the credentials fields and if necessary, add a description for the saved credentials. Click Add to proceed. The credentials have been saved. You can click Close. Now, select the saved credentials from the username drop-down list. Now, click Test Connection to verify the credentials for the specified recovery server. If your credentials are correct, a checkmark appears next to the button. If you enable the Create Snapshot before Recovery option, a snapshot of the VM will be created as a precautionary measure in case the recovery process fails. This snapshot will allow you to restore the VM to its previous state. Click Next to proceed to the Object step. At this stage, NAKIVO Backup and Replication scans the selected recovery point for Microsoft Active Directory databases and displays them in the left pane. Click on a database to view its contents in the right pane. To locate specific objects, you can expand the database contents further by using the tree in the left pane, such as selecting a user. Alternatively, you can use the search bar to find specific objects by their name. Select the objects you want to recover in the right pane, then click Next to proceed to the next step. Select your preferred recovery type from the corresponding drop-down list. You can recover the selected objects to their original location or export them to a local folder or a network share. If you choose the export option, you will need to specify the path and provide the required credentials. In this case, I'm recovering to the original location. Next, specify the preferred overwriting behavior if an item with the same name exists in the target location. You can have the solution either rename, skip, or overwrite the duplicated item. In this case, I want duplicated items to be skipped. Finally, click Recover. The selected objects are now being recovered. You can check the progress in the Activities tab or click Close to exit the wizard. And that concludes our How to video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, and subscribe to our channel to catch new uploads. You can also download a free trial version of NAKIVO Backup and Replication using the link in the description and try the solution in your own environment for 15 days.